Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah, Mobility 316, doing a quick video of our 2026 Toyota Sienna. You can see with either key fob, I can operate the power trunk hatch and both sliding doors. Now listen, I know a lot of you don't have 10 minutes to watch our one-of-a-kind detailed videos. So those of you in a hurry, give me 60 seconds. Let me tell you about this brand new Vantage 40-inch wide conversion. I can operate this entire conversion with these two fingers right here. Just flip, pinch here, flip. I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. Weighs about what a gallon of milk would. Check that out. 40-inch wide. What I love about these wider ramps, these are great for the bariatrics. This is exactly what you want. This van has the flip-based seating inside. Check it out. The swivel seating can flip to the inside. If you want to access these, look how simple this is. One hand on here, flip, lock, boom. You got a seat right there, ready to go. We got free shipping in the lower 48 states. Best price in the country, guaranteed. Never any hidden bogus dealers fees. Ready to go. For those you have a little bit more time, 1,000 pound weight capacity. What I love about these rear entries is the wider ramp. The side entries only have about a 30-inch wide ramp. If you're starting for a facility, a nursing home, you're starting a non-emergency medical transport, you 100% want the wider ramp. You can haul more variety of customers. You can be a resource to the brokers and facilities that you serve. That's how you earn contracts. Ground clearance. About 2 or 3 more inches of ground clearance on these Siennas, the rear entries, than there are on a side entry. We can add running boards here if you like for a little additional cost. Little running boards down here, you can see them in some of our pictures to help ambulatory passengers get in and out of the van. Also, if there was a vehicle parked next to you right here in a side entry, you could not get out of your van if this was a side entry because you're blocked in. That doesn't happen with the rear entries. But if you're looking for a side entry, full-size wheelchair accessible van like a Transit or ProMaster, got a wheelchair accessible SUVs and trucks as well. Have about 100 vehicles in the lot here in Wichita, Kansas, ready to go with free shipping. If you don't see it on our website at mobility316.com, we're probably either getting it ready or we can help find it for you. So 57 inches of headroom coming inside the van. Then you got about 59 inches once you're inside the van. Got our M-Series Q-Strength tie downs. Got room for, and I love these tie downs. They're into the floor. They don't pop up. They're not in your way. Got your shoulder harness over here. If you want to get additional tie downs or upgrade your tie downs, you can do that affordably. Nice center console here. Q-Strengths right there as well. Dash is obviously in great shape. It's a brand new vehicle. You can do all the controls, steering wheel up front, backup camera. You can also do all the doors up here as well. We'll close that one down. I'll give you a view of the seating here in just a minute. But when you get everybody secure, come back out, simply reverse the process. Check it out. One finger's all it lifts. These Vantage conversions, they're pretty much indestructible and there's very little to go wrong with them. But they do come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile nationwide warranty. So don't be tricked by those big box stores like Mobility Works. They're gonna say things like, oh, you need to buy from us so we can service this at any of our 100 locations. Simply not true. All 100 locations mean is more overhead. Don't fall for that trick and overspend $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible vehicle. Quick walk around. It's brand new. There's not a whole lot to show here. Just came right off the truck. 10 out of 10s. Beautiful, super clean, 36 miles a gallon. The money you save on your monthly car payment, from money you save on fuel, is going to pay your monthly car payment. That Dodge Caravan you're driving around right now, that gas Sienna, getting what, 15 to 17 miles a gallon. Imagine cutting your fuel in half. Yes, you can afford this with our financing, low down payments, good interest rate. We can send an application to your phone or email. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins even from across the country. Whether standard or a mobility vehicle, get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. Just have the power driver's seat, cloth interior. Nice layout inside here, nice center console. If you ever want to want to use the doors manually, hit the off button there. These doors become manual, open and shut quickly. And I'll get this seat over here real quick. Flip, swivel, fold, boom. Got room for ambulatory, plenty of room for a wheelchair behind them. And then also, you also got quite a bit of room here. You could do 2 wheelchairs, a smaller one up front, second one back with 3 ambulatory. Allows a lot of versatility. In the end, that's the name of the game. So swing this shut here. Got your 2 key fobs, got your push button start. I like this push button start. If keys in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to dig it out. Of course it fires right up. It's a brand new Toyota. Got a large touch screen, or a large backup camera there, my apologies. Currently 26 miles on this van, so brand new, ready to go. 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty from Toyota. 5-year, 60,000 mile drivetrain warranty, good nationwide from Toyota. And it has the 10-year, I believe it's 150,000 mile hybrid conversion warranty as well. Hybrid warranty as well. If you do want a 4-year unlimited mile, and listen to me, businesses, NEMT, listen to me. 4 years, unlimited miles, unlimited. You can drive this thing full 100,000 miles. We have that for sale for just under $4,000, folks. That's a candy bar a day. Is $4,000 a lot of money? Yes. If you're trying to protect your large investment for the next 4 years, this van will pay itself off 10 times in a row by then for just a measly candy bar a day. Check us out. We're here to help save you money. Absolute best prices in the country. Check this van out and many more at mobility316.com. My name is Jeremiah. I'm the owner. I'm here to help you, help your family, help your business. We're here to help you grow. Mobility316.com.